Hi, Greta Fitz here, and I'm the founder of Ascension. You just bought Ascent To Peace, and this is such an amazing fragrance. And I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video to help you set your intentions, charge your fragrance, get it ready so that it works for you and with you to help you manifest. So when you open up your box, everything is disassembled intentionally. So we're gonna take out the stone. This is a fair trade, authentic piece of amethyst. So the easiest way is like pull the box out and then just pop this guy out. Inside, you're gonna get the base of the fragrance. You're gonna get the bottle. And inside also, you're gonna get two cards. The first card is your ritual card, and your ritual card is a step-by-step, easy peasy way of starting your own ritual. And anything goes, whatever you're comfortable with. This is just a guide to get you started, as is this video. This mantra card is for you to use during your ritual, anytime you need to remember and level set, because all of this is gonna help put a beautiful, positive, high vibe imprint on you so that you can call upon it anytime you need it. We're gonna take our crystal and then grab a Palo Santo, grab a smudge of your choice, whether it's mugwort, sage, frankincense, whatever floats your boat, grab it, make sure it's sustainable, light it because crystals absorb energy. So you want yours to go into the stone because it's a whole new level of personalization. Set your intention. What does peace feel like for you? What does balance feel like for you? What does that look like in your mind's eye? Is it on the beach? Is it during your yoga class? Is it during your meditation session? Is it when you have your moment of Zen, when you take your ritual bath? Maybe your peace is freedom and doing your own thing and feeling peace and balance because you're following your bliss. Whatever that may be, put that into your stone, okay? And remember that feeling. Then we're going to put it in the dish and we're gonna lock it into the fragrance like so. All right, so now your intentions, your soul, your energy is in the fragrance and it's infused. So now when you spray this back onto your skin, you're spraying back your joy, your magic, and the love for yourself and the peace that you're looking for. So now we're gonna spray the fragrance on our skin or wherever it is that you wear fragrance, right? We're gonna smell it and we're gonna remember that intention, the peace, the balance, and this fragrance is a beautiful balm of lavender, neroli, a little bit of oak moss, vetiver. This is a little bit of sea salt. This is just amazing balance and beauty and peace. So when you spray it and smell it, take this in and remember who you are. Remember that peace and balance. Take your mantra card and read it to yourself. This is what centers and grounds you. Do it like 3 times or however many times that you need to really let it sink in and soak in and to remind yourself of what peace and balance is. So now you've made an impression. You've made a memory in your brain so that as you go about your day, if things don't go your way or if life is getting a little overwhelming, and it does, but it's all good. Or if you're zenning and you're like peace and balance and thriving, amazing, you gotta keep going. Spray your fragrance, smell your fragrance, and right there, it'll bring you back vibe and high, okay? It's not about always being positive, but it's about leveling up our vibration so that we attract and manifest what we desire. Find me at ascensionbeautyco.com. I want to see all of your videos. I want to see you guys set your intentions to fragrance. And I really, really hope that you love this as much as all the love that went in it for you. Thank you. Mwah.